OJAYA, the martial art of deep meditation.
Are you ready to start the adventure? Enroll now in the OJAYA Deep Meditation Prep Course, absolutely free. Do you now practice any meditation technique? If so, is your meditation easy, effortless, and energizing? As you meditate, are you calm, serene, at peace? Whether you've practiced meditation for years or you're starting right now, completely fresh, the OJAYA Prep Course contains a wondrous knowledge that will uplift you immediately. In this prep course, Sukaishi David reveals secrets of deep meditation that were forgotten for centuries. With simple words, Sukaishi compares meditation methods taught today in schools around the world. You'll learn how these methods have been watered down over the centuries and why they no longer qualify as deep meditation. You'll learn to avoid common mistakes that prevent you from resting deep in meditation. If you are sincere at heart and you wish to learn these ancient teachings, then enroll now in the OJAYA Deep Meditation Prep Course, absolutely free. You'll get free instant access to your new Earthborn Rainforest online classroom, where you can enjoy all the OJAYA prep talks and complete all the fun quizzes. Join Sukaishi David in the Earthborn Rainforest as he shows you why OJAYA is the simplest, the easiest, the most powerful and most blissful meditation you'll find anywhere. The OJAYA Deep Meditation Prep Course. Enroll now, free, at ojaya.com.